Hey guys, Adam Booth with Booth Machine Shop. Back at you once again to talk about a new product from CRC called the Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser. I'm going to share with you on this video how this product has been helpful for me and how I've been putting it to work around my shop. CRC developed this to be a 50-state compliant degreaser. It's non-chlorinated, it has low VOCs and a low flash point. It was developed to be used around all sorts of industrial applications such as heavy machinery and heavy equipment. I'm going to share with you a few of the ways that I've been using the universal degreaser around the shop. And one of the places that I've been putting it to work is over on the American pacemaker lathe. When I need to get over to the machine and do some maintenance on it or work on it, I'll grab a can of the universal degreaser and help clean up those areas that I'm going to get to and work on. The cans themselves come equipped with a PowerJet Spray Nozzle that really helps to penetrate the oils and the contaminants, not only lift and remove them from the surface, but it helps blast and wash away the oils as you're cleaning those surfaces. The pacemaker is an old lathe. It's been around for 80 years. It's seen a lot of work, and it's got some drips and leaks here and there. So some of the oil from the headstock and the ways from the lubrications, they drip down into these catch pans and they need cleaned out periodically. The universal degreaser has been very helpful on just blasting away that oil and washing it off those drip pans. Another place that I find the universal degreaser to be helpful is whenever I'm cleaning off some of my 50 taper tools. Some of these that I have are heat shrink tools, and whenever they're shipped from the factory, they also include a shipping oil on there as well to help prevent any flash rusting before they get to the customer. These oils need to be cleaned off well and removed before you go to the induction heater. And because the universal degreaser is chlorine free and it has a low flash point, I find it to be an excellent degreaser to help remove all the oils from these tools before we go into the induction heater. Another place that I've been recently using it is on one of my personal projects. I found that I had a leaking fuel shutoff valve and fuel lines, and it was allowing gasoline and oil to drip down onto the engine and the floor. So I used a universal degreaser to completely wash away all of the oil and gasoline off of the other components and to help prevent that from dripping onto the floor. So if you're in the need of a non-chlorinated degreaser that has low VOCs, a low flash point, and is 50-state compliant, pick up some of this Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser from CRC and find out how helpful it can be around your business.